Hey, what's up, baby Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? The baby Dogecoin price is totally increasing, and the holders are enjoyed, my friends, the profit. So definitely, you can see here the price is increased 2.69% in last 24 hours. Definitely, the price is increasing from last, my friends, 1 month, and absolutely, when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting buying, so the price is 100%, my friend, increasing. 0 point, you can see here, I think 824680178 USD dollar is the current price of baby Dogecoin, and I am 100% give you guarantee, my friends, to the baby Dogecoin price will more increase now. Market cap, my friends, we will also going to predicate, but please generally I will just update you. You can see the market cap is 47.8, you can see a billion, and 0.00, I think that's mean to they will never show. Fully diluted market 2.70% increase now. Volume is, you can see, my friend, 0.67% increase now, and my friend, the volume market cap is not showing. So that's mean, my friends, you can see here the coin is completely on the profit and price will pumps up. We will need to check out the chart result. This is very important for us now. As you can see here, my friend, this time the chart results, so definitely the chart condition is something like very different from other. So as you can see here, after a short fails, you can see, my friends, they will pumps up. Absolutely, you can see the red line is a short fail, you can see, my friend. So generally, as you can see here, this point they were fails down, but after that they will hit the resistance. The you can see, my friend, the black dot line, as you can see here, my friend, this is the black line. They will completely, this is the resistance line, so they will clearly told you, my friends, so this time they were completely on the profit and this time they are in the loss. So that's clear. You can see that every line, all line is green, so that's means they are completely on the profit and never fails down. Kindly holders, you will need, my friends, to absolutely moving like that, because some holder are starting selling, so the coin will fails down and they will down from resistance line, and when they will down from resistance line, remember they are very badly lost. So therefore I will inform you to don't starting holding, just only wait and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, to baby Dogecoin will make you a millionaire and give you a very huge profit. So see you next time, baby Dogecoin holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.